Doing a quick nature walk here through Hitchcock Woods. There's an interesting dragonfly over there. Let's see if we can grab a shot of it. Alright, excellent. Take a look at that. So we're just doing a deeper look at the Canon EOS R7, which I've primarily used for video in the past, but I wanted to see how it does with still shots, so I hooked it up to the RF 100-500mm zoom lens to see if it works as nice as the R5 does. Get some great shots with it. Some pretty wildflowers here. Oh yeah, that's great. That's great. Plus you get the extra 1.6 times this being a crop sensor camera. So our pretty purple wildflowers. If you know what those are, leave a comment. I usually have to look those up. I'm not sure what they're called, but they sure are pretty. Let's go back here in the woods a little bit and see how it does in lower light. See if we can catch a bird. Little chipmunk was scurried away. Of course, I'm too slow to catch it on camera. Little white butterfly there. If you look right over here, got a big old daddy long legs. I don't know if you can see it in the camera there, but I'm going to take a still shot of it, throw it up. Here's what I do notice with the got us a train coming for our other channel, Titan Train Spotter. And daddy longlegs got away from me. What I am noticing with this R7 combination is focus is a little bit slower than with the R5. Probably camera related. You can sometimes get close enough with this lens, especially with the 1.6 times crop, to do some macro work. I don't know if you can see that black fly looking thing there, but just took a shot of it, put it up on the screen, sharp as can be. Still looking for the daddy long legs that I lost. They make, oh, there's one right over there. Let's see if we can get a shot of it before he runs away. There we go. Alright, a few shots of that. Those things look like monsters when you zoom in on them. Of course, they're harmless and good for the environment, from what I understand. Sometimes getting these good nature shots is just a matter of standing, being quiet, being patient. We're now in late July. I'm not sure where summer has gone. but a lot of the trails are getting kind of overgrown, which is fine. Feels more like nature. Hearing a lot of birds, not seeing them. Tell you what, it is a muggy, hot day here today. We're at Hitchcock Woods and Lyle. And the air is very thick. And we've got the wildfire smoke back. Okay, let's get a zoom on that purple flower there. I think it's similar to the one we took earlier, but excellent photo. White butterfly of sorts. Let's see if he'll take some pose for me. There's a mosquito, I believe. Take his picture and get out of here before he bites me. What else we got here? Bugs are the only ones really making an appearance today. I'm not seeing the birds or the other wild animals, but still gives us an idea of what the camera and lens combination will do. Again, it's the R7, EOS R7 crop sensor camera, 31 megapixel, and the Canon RF, the L lens, 100-500. Which is a premium lens. Should take good photos on any camera. Alright, well, gives you an idea of what the camera and lens combination will do. Appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe. We're still kind of figuring out what this channel is going to be all about, but definitely got to take a deeper look at things. This time it was a camera lens combo, and we will see you next time. So one of the things that I really noticed with this camera and lens combination is you can take some fantastic photographs. With the crop sensor, 1.6 crop, the R7 is decently fast with its focus and accurate. Of course, the lens is a premium lens. But what I have noticed is, in comparison to the R5, doesn't grab on nearly as quick with the autofocus. You almost have to help it along a little bit. You know, the R5 just seems like it almost finds it by itself. I mean, it's truly an amazing camera. But I wanted to see, like I said, what the big lens would do with the crop sensor. So there you go.